This is number 89 Boeing Road East in Bedford View, a business 3 offices and a dwelling house. This well-positioned office building will be sold with vacant occupation and comprises a modern reception office, large L-shaped open-plan office, and an executive office with adjoining bathroom and shower. The property is serviced by a brick-paved driveway and front parking area with 8 open parking bays. It is protected by a palisade fence on the street frontage, painted brick and plastered walling on the perimeter, and an automated driveway entrance and exit gates. There is a generator on site which could form part of the purchase price. The property is in the affluent suburb of Bedford View, which has an established infrastructure and forms part of the Ekurhuleni municipality. The property is on Boeing Road, an arterial route linking Bedford View to the Edenvale metropolis. It enjoys excellent exposure in this active commercial and residential area and is surrounded by multiple modern, redeveloped office buildings and commercial multiplexes varying in size, condition and application, as well as residential properties earmarked for business. Jeppe Quondam, the Orion Building, Regent Insurance Office Park, the popular Bedford View Italian Club and the Sun One Hotel are landmark properties in this fast-developing district. All public amenities, including Bedford Square and the Eastgate Shopping Centre, are within a 5-kilometre radius, and the Life Bedford Gardens Hospital is also nearby. In addition to the area being close to the R24 and R21 corridor and the Oliver Tambo route, it is also easily accessible from the N3 via the Linksfield Road exit. Industrial areas in the vicinity include Meadowdale, Wilbart, Tunney, Jet Park, Sebenza, Founders View and Longmeadow. Oliver Tambo International Airport is 12 kilometers away, and demand for commercial property in this region is high due to the easy access to all major routes. This property will be auctioned off on Thursday, the 18th of October at 12 noon at Summer Place in Hyde Park.